Tired of waiting for paychecks to clear? Let's ditch the bank lines and get your money faster by setting up direct deposit right into your Cash App account. First, open your Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see several icons. Tap on the Banking tab. It looks like a little house. Now scroll down until you see the option for direct deposit. It might say Get Direct Deposit Form. Tap on that option. Great! Cash App will now show you your account number and routing number. These are the magic numbers you'll need to give to your employer or whoever is sending you payments. You have a couple of choices here. You can tap Email Form to send a pre-filled direct deposit form directly to your employer, or you can tap Copy Account Details and manually enter the account and routing numbers into your employer's online payroll system. When filling out your employer's form, double-check that you've entered both the account number and routing number correctly. A single digit off can cause major headaches. And that's it. Once your employer processes the information, your paychecks will be deposited directly into your Cash App account. You can then use the funds to spend, send, or invest, all within the app. Enjoy the convenience. So, there you have it. A super simple way to get your money faster with Cash App. For more Cash App tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe. #CashAppTips, #mobile banking.